As the year comes to a close, one truth remains clear. Nigeria's story is still being written. It is a story shaped by choices, by resilience, and by the determination of millions who believe in progress even in difficult times. The events we've revisited are more than moments in history. They are lessons, reminders, and the opportunities to build stronger systems, safer communities, and a more inclusive future. Moving forward requires collaboration between government and citizens, institutions and innovators, leadership and accountability. At Flip TV, we remain committed to responsible journalism, balanced reporting, and storytelling that informs, educates, and inspires. We thank our partners and sponsors, organizations investing not just in today, but in the Nigeria of tomorrow. As a new chapter begins, the questions continue, the works continue, and the future remains ours to shape. Thank you for watching. This is Flip TV. "2025 has been a year of challenge, change, and confrontation for Nigeria. From rising insecurity and political tension to global realignment and economic pressures, the country has faced tests that touched every corner of our society. This year, Nigerians watched as their nation struggled with violence, disasters, and governance crises, but also celebrated resilience, courage, and moments of national pride. Today, we bring you the big stories that shaped Nigeria, a year-end special reflecting on events, the people, and the decisions that defined our nation in 2025. On the economic front, Nigerians face growing hardship. The new tax laws implemented this year sent waves through households and businesses alike. Inflation continued its steady climb, making food, fuel, and basic commodities increasingly expensive. Meanwhile, disasters, road accidents, fire outbreaks, and other emergencies exposed the urgent need for a rapid response emergency unit. The nation witnessed the consequences of delayed responses, from multi-story fires destroying market complexes to fatal highway crashes claiming lives. As citizens bore the brunt of these challenges, debates intensified over government accountability and the need to strengthen the nation's infrastructure and public services. Security remained at the forefront of national concern. Across country, banditry, kidnappings, and clashes between farmers and Fulani herders escalated, leaving rural communities devastated. In states like Zamfara, Kaduna, and Benue, families were forced from their homes, livestock was stolen, and trust between communities frayed. Experts called for state police, revitalization of military units, and smarter intelligence-led interventions to prevent further bloodshed. The year highlighted that Nigerian security apparatus must evolve rapidly to protect its citizens from the highways to the farmland, from urban centers to border towns. In Rivers State, governance reached a breaking point. A state of emergency was declared as political tensions, civil unrest, and security failures converged. This unprecedented move sparked debate on federal intervention, civil liberties, and the balance of power between local and national authorities. Citizens questioned how far should federal authority go, and what role should state leaders play in ensuring peace and stability. 2025 was also marked by high-profile legal drama. The trial and sentencing of Nnamdi Kanu captured national and global attention. The proceedings exposed deep fault lines in the country, regional tensions, demand for justice, and questions over the fairness of Nigeria's legal system. Protests erupted in parts of the southeast, while debates on national unity and the rule of law dominated conversations across media platforms. Politics this year has been a high-stakes chess game. Defections, realignment, and power struggles across North and South underscored fears of regional balkanization. From the corridors of state assemblies to party conventions, the focus has been on how political alliances shape governance, influence development, and affect the balance of power between Nigeria's diverse regions. Meanwhile, the global stage played a subtle yet powerful role in Nigeria's story. US President Donald Trump's continued influence on American politics and foreign policy has implications for Nigeria and West Africa. Trade, security cooperation, and diplomatic pressures are increasingly linked to decisions made in Washington, highlighting how global politics can interact with local realities. Nigeria must now navigate a world where superpowers shift priorities overnight. 2025 also saw Nigerians tightening its ties with France. Military cooperation, intelligence sharing, and joint efforts against terrorism signaled a strategic partnership. France's renewed interest in West Africa, particularly in counter-terrorism operations, offers Nigeria a chance to strengthen its security architecture, but also raises questions about sovereignty, collaboration, and long-term regional strategy. The presence of foreign military advisors and U.S. counterterrorism units sparked national conversations. Citizens debated how much foreign involvement is acceptable and at what point does collaboration compromise national sovereignty. These discussions highlighted the delicate balance Nigeria must strike between security, independence, and international cooperation. Energy stability became a headline issue as the national grid experienced multiple failures. Investigations revealed infrastructure vulnerabilities, vandalism of gas pipelines, and insufficient maintenance. The consequences were far-reaching. Businesses halted, households struggled, and the economic felt the strain. NISO's promise to revitalize the grid became a focal point for citizens demanding reliable electricity. Even in tragedy, Nigerians railed together. The incident involving British Nigerian boxing star Anthony Joshua reminded us of the fragility of life. Meanwhile, sports, especially the Super Eagles' journey through AFCON qualifiers, offered moments of hope, pride, and unity. Through grief and triumph, the nation's spirit was tested and celebrated. Looking back, 2025 made one thing clear: Nigeria must act decisively. From emergency response units to state police, from revitalized security forces to infrastructure reform, from energy reliability to fair governance, the nation cannot afford to wait. The decisions made today will shape tomorrow's Nigeria. As the year comes to a close, Nigerians reflect, plan, and hope. The lessons are many, the challenges ongoing, but the story continues. 2026 will be a year to build, reform, and unite, and the world will be watching. This is Flip TV. This program is proudly supported by our partners, organizations committed to progress, innovation, and the future of Nigeria. Every year leaves its mark. Some years pass quietly, others redefine a nation. 2025 was a year that tested Nigerian system, leadership, and resilience. From months of tension to stories of courage, from difficult national conversations to decisions that shaped our collective future. Across politics, security, the economy, and Nigerians' place in a rapidly changing world, events unfolded that demanded attention, reflection, and understanding. Tonight, Flip TV brings you a carefully researched, balanced, and in-depth review of the big stories that shaped Nigeria. This is not about the headlines alone. It's about context, consequences, and what this moment means for the road ahead. Join us as we look back, ask the hard questions, and examine the forces shaping Nigerians' future. This is the big stories that shaped Nigeria.